So I'm going to be honest. I haven't filmed anything recently. So if you guys don't know, I've been at a summer camp teaching kids from 4.5 to 17, and it's been stressful. Really, really stressful. To the point where I have lost my sunglasses. I'm going to make a whole nother video on that soon. Since I didn't have anything for today, I was going to share with you guys 3 tips to getting into any type of photography, whether it just be recreational use, taking pictures of your kids at a game, or even onto more professional stuff. I think these are 3 tips that everyone can take through life. Tip number 1 is to just take your camera everywhere. And I think this is a lesson that you can tell yourself even if you've been a photographer for 30 years. There are times where you just don't want to take photos, but those are the times to take it, because that means you're going to run into something really cool. That's my experience through life. Just take your camera everywhere. Especially if you have a mirrorless, like I carry the Sony A7 Mark III everywhere I go now, because it's a nice small camera. I can fit it in my any backpack I have at the time. I personally go for smaller stuff, especially travel. It's a lot easier. But if that's not your thing and you'd rather carry a big camera, do that. If the only camera you have on you is your cell phone, it's limiting, but you can do it. So just take your camera everywhere. Tip number 2 has to be probably my favorite tip in the world, which is more of a quote. And this is a quote I live by every day. The quote goes, "Either build your dream or work for someone else building theirs." You have the choice to build your own dream or work for someone else building theirs. You have that choice. Now, that's not to say quit your job right now and stop building their dream and go off and build yours. You need money, you need experience, blah blah blah, but always remember to build your dream. Don't just be satisfied in life with building someone else's. Lastly is tip number 3, and that is work with people. Find friends, find relatives, find anyone that also likes working with a camera in any sort of way, and work with them. I got to teach at that summer camp, and I got to collaborate with a bunch of people. Everyone from hip-hop dancers to people who did African dance to people who did expressing themselves through art. It was amazing. I got to work with fantastic people, and now I get to collaborate with them later. So that was tip 1, 2, and 3. Again, take a camera everywhere, build your dream, and work with people. That's all I got for you guys today. Thanks for watching. I'm sorry that there's no real video today, but next week I'm hoping that I'll get a better video out.